FrontSeatDog back with another Fox Body Mustang project update video. This time, HVAC. My car's blowing out of the defrost vents, but no matter the settings, only defrost vents. So usually that's a missing or broken vacuum line. So you're going to want to inspect these connections. You're going to want to inspect these connections, make sure everything's hooked up properly, make sure no lines are missing or broken. That's what you got under here in the engine compartment. We have this junction. Turns out both of mine were busted. At this junction, vacuum line will go along the firewall over to here where it says AC. That's your vacuum line for your HVAC. So repair, replace that vacuum line, route it along the firewall to here, fix both of these, make sure they're not cracked or broken, make sure they're routed correctly. One of those goes to a little ball inside the fender well. You're gonna have to remove the tire and the wheel well liner. It's a little vacuum ball. I've already done that. So I'm gonna have to fix this inside the car, behind your glove box. The rest of the stuff, check for anything missing, broken, cracked, unhooked. Same thing behind your panel. I do have one open port there. I'm gonna have to do some investigating, but I'm gonna fix those two lines at the junction. Stay tuned for more Fox Body fun with FrontSeatDog.